Hi guys, Automotive Control in Bristol. We have a T6 camper with us at the moment. Just fitted the DMX8021DABS, as you can see here. So this gives you Apple CarPlay wireless and wired, Android Auto wired and wireless. We've retained factory USB. The phone can still be plugged in from the front like it was before. Retained the steering wheel controls, as you can see there. Also retained the original optic parking sensors through the KENWOOD unit. So customers lost nothing and retained everything here. So Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, HDMI input, really nice unit, 3-year warranty, in stock. Automatic Control in Bristol, 02179 08 0708. Thank you.